Welcome to had6 channel. In this video, we will look into descent. 15 nouns with similar meanings will be reviewed in example sentences. Let's get started. Number 1. Pedigree. Which means the recorded ancestry or lineage of a person or family. Pedigree. For example, Hereford cattle have a long pedigree. Number 2. Family. Which means all the descendants of a common ancestor. Family. For example, a prospective husband must come from the right kind of family. Number 3. Ancestry. Which means one's family or ethnic descent. Ancestry. For example, he was proud of his Irish ancestry. Number 4. Lineage. Which means direct descent from an ancestor. Lineage. For example, a Dutch nobleman of ancient lineage. Number 5. Heredity. Which means the passing on of physical or mental characteristics genetically from one generation to another. Heredity. For example, the relative influence of heredity and environment. Number 6. Origin. Which means a person's social background or ancestry. Origin. For example, his Scottish origins. Number 7. Derivation. Which means the formation of a word from another word or from a root in the same or another language. Derivation. For example, the derivation of the word toff. Number 8. Parentage. Which means the origin of something. Parentage. For example, this ice cream boasts American parentage. Number 9. Stock. Which means a person's ancestry or line of descent. Stock. For example, he sighed and threw up his hands in a way that betrayed his French stock. Number 10. Genealogy. Which means a line of descent traced continuously from an ancestor. Genealogy. For example, a lengthy genealogy of the kings of France. Number 11. Succession. Which means the right or sequence of inheriting a position, title, etc. Succession. For example, he left behind him a disputed succession between his kinsmen. Number 12. birth, which means a person's origin, descent, or ancestry. Birth. For example, the mother is English by birth. Number 13. Extraction, which means the ethnic origin of someone's family. Extraction. For example, a worker of Polish extraction. If you liked the video, please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe for similar videos.